Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video is going to be a new skincare release try-on. I'm going to be doing my PM skincare routine with a lot of new and exciting releases. As you all know, there will be timestamps and links in the description box below to each product or group of products that I'm trying on, but let me real quickly give you a little bit of a spoiler and tell you about what I bought and what I received in PR. So I decided to buy the new Peach Slices K-Beauty Stars Mask Kit. We will have a full review on the Peach Slices brand coming for you all on Friday, but we're going to use this new release here in today's video. I also bought the new Stratia Interface Moisturizer. This is the fastest I've purchased a product in a very long time. I got the email, I saw the words Stratia and peptide, and I added to my cart and checked out. I also finally got my hands on the CeraVe Hydrating Toner. It never ceases to amaze me that I've walked into CVS, looked at the CeraVe section, and it is completely wiped out. There is not a single product on the shelves. Whoa, y'all love CeraVe, and y'all keep telling me you gotta try the hydrating toner, so I finally bought it. I don't know if we really consider it new anymore. It's been out for a couple months at this point. And then I also bought this month's, as some of you know, Derm Store Beauty Fix box, and we are going to use the sandwich method tonight with the Paula's Choice Clinical 1% treatment. Can you believe 1% retinol treatment? Let me say the full name of it. So heads up for anybody thinking about getting this in the Sephora sale. I think this box is still available, and the whole box is $37. This retails for $62. Could not resist that. I've wanted to try it for a very long time. And then in PR, I did already show you all in our Sephora video that I received from First Aid Beauty, the Fab Skin at the Disco set. So we're gonna try this one on in today's video. I got from Medicube another device, and it might be my favorite yet. This is a device that you can use on your eye area. Oh my gosh. Well, we will use it in today's video. And finally, one more item. From I Do Care, they sent the Timeout Blemish Patch, and I finally have a pimple, so we can finally try these out. Not that I'm excited about that at all. It's just that I can finally try it. Okay, let's get into it. I've got some makeup to remove, and really quickly, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup at all, but I am yet again wearing my Blink Tubing Mascara that I showed you in that video. The ease of removal. All we're gonna do in tonight's routine, we're not gonna double cleanse because I don't need to. This is a Korean sunscreen, the tubing mascara. We are just gonna grab the Pure Skin face cleanser from this kit. I also did place an order in the First Aid Beauty sale. Anybody else shop that? I bought the oat toner, the oat dry oil, and what else? I know I bought 3 items. What did I buy? The cleansing oil. I bought the cleansing oil. Of course I bought the cleansing oil as I'm about to wash my face over here. What on earth, Alice? Anyway, this is a surprisingly gentle cleanser for how much it foams. Can you see the foaming effect? I thought that I wouldn't like it, but it actually is. It's actually gentle. It's actually a mild cleanser. So I just rinsed my face, but I haven't gotten to my eyes yet. I want to show you how I remove that mascara. This is my Good Molecules mitt right here. I just have a little bit of water on it. So I'm going to very gently wipe along my lashes. So do you see all this? These are all the little tubes that were just on my lashes. See how easy it is to take it off? All cleansed and rinsed off. By the way, you don't have to use the exfoliating mitt. I just find it makes it a little bit faster. So let's try out this CeraVe Hydrating Toner next with 3 ceramides in it. Okay, feels nice so far. I do feel like toner is one of those products where I am not capable of forming a first impression on it at all. I feel like I know how I feel about cleansers pretty quickly, and also surprisingly moisturizers. I think because, you know, with moisturizer, I'm really looking into how much it prevents transepidermal water loss. But yeah, toners, I feel like it takes me a little while. It takes me a little while to know how I feel. Nonetheless, a lot of you have said you absolutely love this. Oh, drat. I actually meant to do the new mask set first. That's okay. It's not really going to matter. This is the Peach Slices K-Beauty Stars Mask Kit. So Peach Slices does this thing in the holidays where they release some limited edition sets, or at least I remember last year they had the lip set, and I noticed it's back again this year. So it's always a little strange that they do this to me, because while you do get a sample of or a mini size of the Snail Rescue Intensive Wash Off Jelly Mask, they don't sell these two. They don't sell the Brightening Power Vitamin C Mask, Purifying Pore Charcoal Mask. So where do they come from? How are they in this set? It's perplexing to me. I can't figure it out. Nonetheless, I thought this was the way to go because I wasn't sure I wanted to commit to the full size of the wash-off mask. I'm not that big of a wash-off mask person, but I still really wanted to try it because snail mucin goes so well for my skin. So in the end, I think I'm glad I bought this set, but I really think it's only worth focusing long-term on the Snail Rescue mask, as that's the only one that's permanently available. No, you know what we'll do? We're gonna try on all three of them on different parts of my face, that multi-masking system. I haven't seen anyone do this for a while. So I've only used this a couple of times so far. We'll start out with this one. See how thick it is? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. But it does feel so nice. My one gripe with these masks is I do feel like they're really hard to remove. I'm starting to wonder if this is just a me problem. Do other people have this problem with the Tartelette mascara, with these masks? I don't know. It feels nice, but it's really hard to remove. And then the Purifying Pore Charcoal Mask, I guess I'll put that on my nose. I feel like this one looks a lot more thick than it is. And then the Vitamin C mask, which form of vitamin C is this? I don't even see what form of vitamin C they're using though. It looks like it's just the citrus junose fruit. Okay, wouldn't really count on this for having too much of an effect, but I guess it also does have a slight amount of physical exfoliation, very slight, very slight. So I will put this on the perimeter of my face. Yeah, it actually feels like using a Korean peeling cleanser. So that's it. I feel like this whole set is the same base, and they added a little bit of apparently rice and citrus junose in the vitamin C mask, so not a lot of vitamin C, and then in the pure charcoal mask, bamboo water, cherry, and a little bit of charcoal, but a very little bit. So it's a 15-minute mask. I'll leave this on my skin for about 15 minutes and then I'll rinse it off. And like I mentioned, it is a little hard to remove these, but we can do it. We can do it. So I just washed these masks off my face. Y'all, I used my Good Molecules mitt, again, the one you saw earlier. That was what was missing before. Why did I not try that initially? I've used these masks, each of them twice at this point before today's video, and it never clicked in my head. If you're having trouble removing it, get some assistance. That was night and day. That really helped a lot. As far as this kit, I'm going to tell you honestly, I don't feel like you need to run out and purchase this because, again, the Snail Rescue is the star of the show. All that said, this is a 1-ounce size in here, and last year Peach Slices sets went 50% off after the holidays, and it might be worth it at that price point. So we are about to move on, and we are going to moisturize before serum because we're doing the sandwich method tonight, which means it is time to use this Stratia. I don't know why I put it back in the box. I've actually been using this one. A firming and repairing peptide cream. Oh my goodness. I will put the ingredients up on the screen for you. They are simply divine, absolutely amazing. 5 forms of peptides, some squalane, some panthenol, some rose hip oil. You all probably know that Stratia is all about educating people on skincare, really explaining their products, making them non-irritating. So if you go on their website, they talk about how this contains 2 carrier peptides and 3 signaling peptides, including peptides that target, not just collagen and elastin, which we're pretty used to talking about, but also barrier support. So it's such an exciting release because it's anti-aging and it also supports a healthy skin barrier all in one product. Now I will tell you, it's a lot of a lighter texture than I expected it to be. You can kind of see that as I push it into my skin. A lot lighter than I expected, but I think that's good because it does give a lot more flexibility In terms of, I think all skin types will actually like this, whether you're dry or more oily. But again, if you're dry, you might want to add in some extra moisturizer, maybe mix in an oil. Honestly, I'm glad they did it this way though, because you know, those are the kind of concerns that regardless of your skin type you might have. Everybody wants a healthy skin barrier. Anyway, it's Stratia. I can make an affiliate link, but if you are brand new to the website, you should use my referral instead and get $10 off your first order. I can never affiliate referrals, but you should use them. You should get $10 off if you are new to the website. Oh, they're such a wonderful company. I love them so much. $25 for this. And now, the Medicube HR Booster H, as this is called. Now get this. This is a tool that is made to help your products to absorb more efficiently. And it's so bizarre. Watch this, y'all. Whoa! And this is what I'm always griping about with peptides, is I absolutely love them, but the problem is they are larger molecules, and we do wonder if they penetrate into the skin. It doesn't hurt though, I promise you it doesn't hurt. This is actually just so relaxing to use, and they say you can use this 3 times a day. Now I'm going to tell you what I don't like about this. There is but one thing. I don't have the slightest clue, not the slightest clue, how this works. And I hate that. I need to know how things work. I need to know. I also do need to update you all on the radio frequency device from them. I started using that one a couple of months ago at this point. It takes me so long to form my opinion on devices because they're so expensive. I want to make sure that I'm really giving you all of the thoughts on them. But yeah, am I ready to talk about that one? The main concern I've had with that is the same concern I've seen a few other people express, which is that radio frequency has led to fat loss for some people. The question is, does a home device compare to that kind of intensity that would lead to fat loss? And I don't know the answer to that. I suspect that it is absolutely fine because, again, it is a home device, but I don't know. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I love that tool. I love it. And it's so funny because I know when I first started getting into, in particular, the microcurrent devices, my first was a new face. When I first started getting into those, I was so scared of getting shocked. I looked up the videos of people and saw, you know, their eyes twitching. And now I'm over here using this, but it's not at all the same as microcurrent. This is something completely different, but I don't know what. I don't know what it is. And it's killing me inside. You know what, I want to do these timeout blemish patches first because this does contain some salicylic acid and tea tree leaf oil, so we're going to use this first. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, that is so cute. Okay, I'm going to make sure to clean off that area first, and then I'm going to use this little pink one. Okay, now for our retinol. So, I want to really quickly explain in this video why I've started using retinol even though I use adapalene. I'm going to use a pea-sized amount. I'm treating this the same way I treat my adapalene. Because I have talked to some of you in the comment section about doing something similar. So let me explain my logic. Basically, I love adapalene. I cannot believe how much it's done for my skin. However, we do know that adapalene works on fewer receptors in the skin, half of the receptors that retinoic acid does. And retinol converts twice into retinoic acid, which would hypothetically mean that retinol products might activate more receptors on your skin, which might lead to more benefits. Now, where the science is they're still kind of trying to figure out, does that really lead to more benefits, or does, you know, just activating these 2 receptors, is that adequate? Because for acne, it's adequate. The question is it as effective for anti-aging? And we do have some limited data showing that adapalene may be just as effective as an anti-aging ingredient as retinoic acid, but we aren't quite there yet in being able to say that with a lot of confidence. Oh wait, I want to add one more step. I'm just having fun doing my skincare routine, and I want to use the Royal Oil from Lord Jones. I am poor, so I got the mini size as a point perk. These CBD oils are so expensive. I love them, but they're so expensive. Anyway, I have a story with this. So I grabbed the first point perk. I used it for about 2 days. I had it sitting out, and I'll dig up the picture and show it to you. it turned brown, it oxidized. I could not believe it. That took 2 days. So then I ordered another sample, and I'm keeping this one in my refrigerator. It was so interesting. It makes me think that these samples that Sephora had, the Points Perks, are probably kind of older. And it just really goes to show that, the second I opened it, the oxidation happened so quickly. And we're on the last step. This video today was short and sweet. We are going to use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I do want to smell this though, because I did notice they actually have added in eucalyptus oil. Really doesn't have much of a smell, and eucalyptus oil does have a smell. So I kind of feel like they might have just added it to this formula for the purpose of stabilizing the formula a little more, just some added antioxidants in there. Kind of what it seems like to me. And that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Again, I want to tell you all the Peach Slices review is coming Friday, and then shortly, probably in a couple of weeks, I will start up a trial of the brand Round Lab. And that's it. I hope you all are having a fantastic week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you all next time.